everyone. This is video number 3 that we're doing. As you all know, we did the boiled shrimp. I showed you all some cocktail sauce, shrimp cocktail sauce. Then we did our shrimp rolls that are similar to a lobster roll. We made a shrimp. And now we're gonna do the natural shrimp ceviche. So we're gonna start out with our natural shrimp, which I've already peeled and I've cut up, diced up, chopped up, however you want to call it. The other ingredients that we'll be using is some key lime juice, fresh limes, jalapenos, butternut squash, mango, cucumber, red onions, and cilantro. So we're going to start out first with cooking the shrimp. So we're going to cook the shrimp in the acid of the key lime juice and the lime juice. So what we do first is we put our shrimp right here inside a Ziploc bag, okay? Just like that. Then I'm gonna pull this up so y'all can see it. Here's your Ziploc bag with our product. Then we're gonna add the key lime juice into it. Just as much as you want. There you go. So we're gonna add some limes. And we're also gonna add some zest. In the recipe from our YouTube, does not have the lime zest in it. So we're adding the lime zest to it right now, just to enhance the flavors really of the lime. I'll show you guys how this goes. It's a shame you can't taste it when you make it. Then we're gonna take our little grater. Not too much, because you still want to be able to taste the shrimp. Here's your lime zest. I'll show this right here in the camera. Here's your lime zest. We add the lime zest, you add that to your mixture. Give it a good stir up. Now while we're cutting the rest of the ingredients, I'm going to show you a little bit in between how the juice, the acid of the juice starts to cook the shrimp. You'll see it happen. There's your shrimp marinated with lime juice. Now we're going to start with butternut squash. I cheated a little bit, so this is your butternut squash. I bought mine frozen and already diced. We're gonna dice this up just a hint more. First, we're gonna blanch them. The good thing about when they're frozen, you actually can really just eat it right now. It still has a little bite to it, but I want it a little bit softer. So I'm gonna add it to boiling water, like so. Just literally, maybe a fraction of a minute. Get some more, got a couple more in here. We'll add those in there. All right, so mango. As you can see, I bought the mango diced. Trying to make it as simple as possible. If you want to buy your fresh mango, just buy fresh mango. You can do that. So we're going to add that. I'm going to dice it up a little bit more, just to get a little bit finer. Like so. Dice that up. Not too fine. Try to keep it all in the same size. You know, as the shrimp, cucumber, and all the other things you're going to add to this. Like so. Rough chop. Alright, so what you can do, you can put this already into your mixing bowl. Alright, all our ingredients are going to be mixed up together anyways. So that will go into your mixing bowl. Then, we'll just do the jalapenos, right? It doesn't really matter the order. So jalapenos, I'm just going to quarter mine. I have washed these already, so no worries, it's all been washed. We're going to quarter these, like so. I like the seeds in it. The seeds keep it a little bit more spicier. So I like a little bit of heat for my ceviche. Cut it up as so. I'll show you all in a minute how it looks. As you can see, jalapenos, dice them up. There we go. Then let's take a red onion. Cut the ends off. So this is really simple. So actually you can cook along with me and live really. Now we're going to take out our butternut squash, like so. Put it in the bowl. Just going to let it sit for a little bit, let it cool down just for a little bit. So, your red onions. We're going to quarter them, like so. Then, slice them up as fine as you can get them. So, here's your onion. Take that. Add that to the mixture. You can add more onion to it, more jalapeno, more shrimp, whatever you want to do. Make it a little bit your own. This is just a basic recipe. So then we're going to take our cucumber, cut the ends off. Again, all these products have been washed. So take the cucumber, You can choose to keep the seeds on the inside. I'm European trained. We take the seeds out for something like this. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the seeds out. So I'm quartering. Again, take the center out. So, slice it up. This, however you can. Get all 4 of them. 3. I'm just using a half a cucumber again. So now, take the cucumber, slice it up. So, in a minute, we're gonna check out and see how our shrimp looks on this business. So we take our cucumber, add that right here to the mixture. Check out. Now, I want to dice this up just a hint more because it's gonna fall apart, and I like it. It just gives an extra sweetness and earthiness to the dish. Add that there. So as you can see, right there, it's already starting to cook. You see the color is changing. Now, we are gonna do the cilantro. So I take this bunch of cilantro, fold it in together one more time like that. That way I cut a lot more faster. So, cut it up, not too fine. Again, you wanna be able to see and taste every ingredient that you add. All your dishes have to be in balance. And what I mean balance is each ingredient you put into the dish, you want to be able to taste. Now we're going to add that to this bowl. We're going to just give this a quick mix. Here. As you can see, here's your mixture. Mix together. This looks like a beautiful, delicious salad just on its own without the shrimp, but the shrimp is going to make it 10 times better. It's almost there. It will cook a little bit more further while it's in the bowl with the rest of the ingredients. Add that to it. You know, with this dish, you might need to add a little bit more acid to it just for the flavor. But let's see how this goes, how this tastes. Toss her up. You don't want to overcook the shrimp because you can also overcook it when you're cooking with an acid such as lemon or lime, anything like that. Because the longer you keep it in the juice, it will get tougher and tougher. So you don't want it tough, you don't want it chewy. So right now, it's perfect. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mix this up with hash more. So 1, 2, 6. We got 6. So here we go. Make sure you get it from the bottom. So get all the ingredients all together. Pop this in there. Like so. Some color to it. Another one. 2. Doesn't this just look beautiful and tasty? 3. Some piece of shrimp right there. You guys are all wondering, is it really that easy? Yes, it really is that easy. So the only thing I did before the video was peel the shrimp and dice it up. That's really most of the work. But once that's done, this is how fast it can go. Now, natural shrimp ceviche. Enjoy. And go to e-commerce, order yourself some fresh natural shrimp, and don't forget to add your cocktail sauce. See you on the next video. Bye. Have a good one. Well, we're not completely done yet. So we have a special guest here today. He's a major shareholder with Natural Shrimp, and he's in the area. His name is Dr. Jan Lore. He has a practice here in Addison, but he's a huge shareholder. He came by to visit today, so I'm going to introduce him. Mr. Lore, would you like to come up in front of the camera? Because I want to give you the ultimate taste test for our Natural Shrimp. This is Dr. Lore, major shareholder for Natural Shrimp. Came to visit, so let's do a taste test. You go, and I'm gonna go. How about that? Let's do this together. Cheers.
Oh, wow. Wow, that's good.
Surprising, huh? Actually, off the record, we're really good friends, so I don't think he knows how well I can really cook.
This is actually
Thank you. Would you eat it all before the camera? See y'all next time. Natural Shrimp.